Welcome to another edition of Gluten-Free Adventures. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie and I have non-celiac gluten sensitivity, which means I can't have gluten, but I'm actually okay with cross-contamination. And would you take a second to subscribe and hit that notification button? I post videos weekly of me finding all the things that are gluten-free and places that you have to try on my travels and around Los Angeles. So today I am in Oahu and I am going to try the famous Giovannis Shrimp Truck. We are on the North Shore, and if you aren't familiar with Giovanni's, it is the very first food truck that served shrimp in Hawaii. So on the North Shore, this place is famous. And if you can tell, you're allowed to write on the truck behind me. So let's go check it out and taste these famous shrimp. Okay, so it takes a little minute to get it because it has to cook. There's a line, of course. And I got this scampi shrimp, which is garlic, olive oil, and things like that. It's gluten-free, and so there's no concern about that. The mac salad has gluten, but it actually doesn't come with the plate. You have to order it separately. The plate comes with the shrimp and 2 scoops of rice. So here's the shrimp. It costs $16, and here's the thing, they only take cash. So you need to peel it yourself and eat it. It comes with a lemon wedge, so let's taste it. So the way to peel it is that you're supposed to suck all of the juices off the outside, which is all the garlic and everything, and then peel it and then eat it. So here it is peeled. Let's taste it. It's delicious. Rice that has garlic on it. It's good. So there's 12 shrimp and the 2 scoops of rice. So $16. And remember, it takes a little while for them to cook it, especially if there's a line. So and then you have to peel it. I would say this is a good, if you really like shrimp, it's a good 9.5 out of 10. When I went to the Just Shrimp Truck in Maui, they have a pineapple version of this. I like that just a little bit more because I love the pineapple, but it's really good. So if you are on the North Shore or if you're in Oahu, you need to come try this because it is delicious. It's popular for a reason. It's really fun to sign the truck. I signed Gluten-Free Adventures on it, and there's all these other, if you have people that are gluten-free with you, there's all kinds of other trucks and things that you can taste, and smoothies and ice cream and barbecue and corn, and there's waffles and churros and all sorts of things here. It's like a one-stop shop and clean restrooms, and yeah, I would highly recommend it. Definitely come to Giovanni's if you can. Thanks for joining me on this adventure.